You know, movie producer Dean Devlin, I always felt bad about screwing millions of moviegoers out of their hard-earned money with that steaming pile of crap we made called Godzilla.
I know, Roland Emmerich. We should totally remake it.
A remake of a remake?
Brilliant!
The eggs! They're hatching! Run! Run! We gave you jerks $150 million to remake Godzilla, and you gave us a steaming pile of crap! Again! Yes!
I don't know. Maybe if we use some toys?
Oh yeah, gonna finish the job. I'm about to tame that ass.
So why are you here?
I want to destroy cities and rid the streets of weaponry.
Yeah, but why are you really here?
I want to be king of the monsters.
There you go. Now, if you stick with me, you'll make it. But you got to unlearn that bullshit that they teach them on Monster Island now, because that shit'll get you killed out here.
I'll do anything you want me to do.
My lizard. Now, how's your Japanese?
Not that good.
Well, you learn that shit then, brother, because that shit'll get you killed. These motherfuckers out there be plotting all types of shit on you. Hey, yo, Mazinga, you got my stuff?
Yo, what you need, Zillow? Check it out. I got rocket firing hands. I got rockets for your shoulders and legs. Man, my shit is tight.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Well, anyway.
What did you do?
Justifiable homicide in the line of duty.
No, that was murder.
Open your eyes, son.
That man was your friend, and you killed him like a fly.
Why is he my friend, huh? Because he knows my name? Mazinga sold guns and rockets. The world is a better place without him anyway. Now get your ass in the car.
No way, man. I'm getting reassigned.
Well, you do that. You tell them what I did. I don't give a damn, because I got news for you. King Kong ain't got shit on me.
Godzilla has left the nation in ruins!
Oh no! California's most treasured landmark!
Oh no! California's most treasured landmark, despite what those a-holes down in Los Angeles think. Godzilla is pulling some hot stripper pole action on the Sears Tower, or whatever the we call it these days. What is it? Willis Tower? I'm hearing Willis Tower.
And after destroying Manhattan, Godzilla is finally headed back out to sea. Oh! Total dick move by Godzilla. Nowhere near water is safe.
It has never been a better time to be a landlocked state. Tourism here in Des Moines is through the roof. We're all rich!
This is the mayor's assistant, Mr. G. Your check is in the mail.
Oh, how the hell am I supposed to cash this?
The Joker came to Arkham Asylum in the summer of '09. I know as much because I remember thinking, that is the whitest son of a bitch I have ever seen. He had a funny way about him. Not ha-ha funny, more stab-stab funny.